Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create interactive presentations in Canva, where you can add external or internal links. So go to canva.com and log into your account. Let's start with a blank presentation. So click on create and select presentation. Before adding any links, design all your slides first. So let's say we've had a complete presentation now. So we have our report here. We have our title, our text, images, icons, and visuals to each slide. Let's say this is our first page. Okay, so for example, the four slides right here have complete presentation design, the icons, titles, text, images, and etc. So having all slides ready makes it much easier to connect them later. Next, add navigation elements like button, shapes, or text. So let's go to the Elements tab. Let's go to Shapes. And for our interactive links or buttons, let's use the circle shape. Add this one. There we go. This will be the clickable parts of your presentation, such as, for example, this could be the next or back, or some menu buttons right here as well. Basically, you can find more shapes and elements on the left sidebar on the Elements tab. There we go. Now, to make this a clickable or interactive element, go ahead and click on a shape or the text inside the element. Right click on it, then choose link. For example, for the first button, let's link page 1, which is the same page we're on right now. Then on the button 2, let's link the page 2. Click on done, page 3. And on page 4, wait, let me just change this. There we go. So for every link, I link the page numbers. This creates an internal link that jumps to another slide when clicked. This makes your presentation feel interactive instead of just moving slide by slide. Now let's go ahead and click on Present or Preview so we can test every button. There we go, we're now on the page 1. So make sure each link goes to the correct slide. Page 2. On the page 3. And button 4 goes to the page 4. If any of this had issues, fix any links that don't work before, sharing your presentation. Once everything works, you can go ahead and export it. To export this, click on Share. Go to Download. And download it as a clickable PDF, which is the PDF standard. This keeps all your internal links working for the viewers. Let's go ahead and open it. Page 2, there we go. Page 3. Okay, and page 4. Perfect. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.